Assalamu alaikum. In today's tutorial, we shall learn how to install Python 3 on your machine, how to set up an IDE, and then we will write our very first Python code in it. So there are a lot of free text editors and IDEs like Python, Atom, Sublime Text, and VS Code. But in this tutorial series, we will be using VS Code. It is a powerful text editor by Microsoft and we will make it an IDE to compile our code in it. For those who don't know what is an IDE, it stands for Integrated Development Environment. It is used to create new files, open existing files, write code in them, and finally to execute our code. So let's start with installing Python. So open your browser, type python.org, hit enter. Now come to this download navbar. Here you can see this Python 3.7.3 download. Click it and start download. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, so Python is downloaded. Simply run it. Remember to check this tick box button, add Python 3.7 to path. This will add the Python to your path directly. Now simply install now. This might take a few minutes, so wait for it. Okay, so it is installed successfully. Close it. Go to your CMD or command line panel. Here type Python. Okay, so Python. Okay, if you see it without any error, that means the Python is successfully installed on your machine. Once again, open your browser and search for download VS Code. Open the first link here. Now, here you can see VS Code is available for all operating systems including Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So I will download it for Windows. Wait for some seconds, the download will start automatically. Okay, we have downloaded VS Code. Let's install it. Click next, next again. Make sure add to path checkbox is marked and finally click install. This will take a minute or less, so wait for it to be installed. Okay, so it is installed successfully. Finish it. Now open VS Code. Now maximize it. Here click on this extension icon and search for Python. On the top click on this link by Microsoft and install it. As you can see, it is being installed. Okay, so VS Code and Python extension were installed successfully. Let's make a new folder and call it tutorials. Open it. Now open Visual Studio Code. On the top left menu, click File and select Open Folder. Now select the folder you have just created. In the left bar you can see this panel. Click on this file icon and create a new file. Let's call it app and give it .py extension for Python file. Close it. Now here on the main window we will write our code. Type print with open and close parentheses, and in them, okay, so we type hello world. Now click on this run icon and it will run our file. As you can see, hello world is printed in terminal.